No.
Namaskar, I'm Alka Manoj, international fashion designer and BJP leader. Here I am to wish you all Happy Republic Day, and we are celebrating National Girl Child Day. So on this occasion, I'm here with a very special girl. She is very famous all over the India. People knows her very well. She is none other than Amrita Thakur.
Hi guys.
Amrita, can you just tell me how you came into the boxing field? That she is a boxer.
Actually, I was a small girl. I used to play tennis while my sister was a tennis player. I used to go to my summer camps and all that. In that, my dad is a boxer, so I just got interest. Like he used to do dumbbells and all that, so I just got interest from him, and I just जिद थी मेरे में कि मैं जाऊँ वहाँ पे बॉक्सिंग सीखूं. उसके बाद पता चला कि बॉक्सिंग कैसी होती है.
So, like, did you have any trouble learning the boxing or going for the competition because you're a girl?
Yeah, I faced many, but it's like girl जा रही है, मतलब लड़की जा रही है, लड़की बॉक्सिंग कर रही है, उसकी शादी कैसी होगी, उसका फेस खराब हो जाएगा एंड ऑल दैट. वो जीन्स पहन रही है, वो ये कर रही है, वो ट्रैक के पहन रही है, शॉर्ट्स पहन के कर रही है, लड़कों के साथ कर रही है, many things about that.
So, people used to talk these many things.
Yeah, inequalities are many about that.
Now also.
Yeah, I guess. Little bit.
I was thinking, now everything has changed.
Not like that. Little bit it's there.
So now, how do you feel?
Like I have so much support from my father and my mother, from whole my family. So I'm so lucky about that.
So here, it's about her family because her family, her parents has supported her. That's the reason she could just come to the place where she wanted, and she has chosen the boxing because she wanted to get into it. So it's like, parents' supports are most important for even the girl child, even for the boy. For every person, the parents are very, very important. So just tell me, did you face any problem in your school days also because you're into the
Yeah, I
boxing?
did. But my principal and my teachers were so supportive that they used to take care of everything.
Wow, that's nice. So any comments in the school or college why you want to go?
Special guest day, teachers ऐसा देखते हैं उसको and all
Oh,
that.
so everybody used to get jealous with
A
you.
little bit.
Yes, it's of course when you're going high,
Yeah.
people will feel like that. But you had any trouble because of their jealousy and all?
No, they were sweet for me.
Okay. And any time like you were feeling that, because they are getting jealous of me, so that was troubling you inside?
No, actually, I was having one teacher, Bhageshwari teacher in my school. She was so
Okay.
supportive about me.
Which school you have studied from?
St. Alphonsus High School.
Here in Hyderabad?
Yeah, Banjarals.
Wow. And basically you're from where?
Hyderabad.
You're from Hyderabad itself. That's nice. And I believe you have played on the national level
Yeah,
also.
2 times national medalist. I'm silver and bronze.
Wow, that's really awesome. I'm so proud
Thank
to
you.
having you with us.
Thank you.
And you tell me about your family background. What is your father, your mother, your siblings?
Yeah. My father is a sports person and also a businessman, and my mother is home wife, and my sister is a tennis player, and my brother is a cricket player. They are so supportive. I'm so thankful for that.
Oh my God. So you're a boxer,
Yeah.
your sister is a tennis player, and brother
Cricketer.
cricketer. Oh my God. See, all three childs are in different sports and they all are siblings. In one family, three child, they have gone in all different fields. So how your parents are able to manage, because you have your practice in a different time, your sister, your brothers, how do they manage?
My sister is independent, so she go alone and all that. But I'm so small, so my mother and father comes back for me and all that.
Oh, that's good. And how about your brother?
He's also independent.
He's elder to you?
I know younger. But
Okay, okay. That's really, really nice. And can you just tell me when you went for the nationals, how did you feel? Is it tough to reach there? You struggle a lot to reach there? How?
it wasn't tough. It's all about working hard and doing practice every day.
Okay.
बाकी तो बस मेहनत का काम है बस.
Yeah, that's true. But you know, क्या होता है? Sometimes when the player, they are excellent in their field, but still, you know, people will not allow them to reach to the nationals. You're so fortunate, you know, you have played 2 times in the nationals, so that's really awesome. So like, did you face that time any struggle, like people were not allowing you to go and they were like, you know, only boys can go, you are a girl so you cannot go, something like that you faced?
No, nothing like that.
So it was all like whether you are a girl or you're a boy, it does not make
Because
any
we
difference.
was having girls team and boys team, so it was so different for that.
Okay. But anything, you know, struggle by from your any coach side or anything?
Coaches are so supportive. I'm so lucky about that too.
Oh, that's really nice. Always, you know, we have heard that they have struggled in their life to reach to this situation. But for you, I'm able to find out, you know, it's easy. It's okay for you to reach where you want to be. So, while playing the championship, was it so tough?
या मतलब मार खाने के बाद पता चल गया कि हाँ सामने वाला भी टफ है अपने जैसा. तो it was tough but nice experience था.
Okay. Did you get any hurt when they were
Many times I got swell over here and cut and everything.
cut also?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Then?
Injury happens, we have to move on. That's the game.
Okay, okay. And sometimes you might have fallen.
Yeah.
So how did you get up? How you got the energy? You have to get up and
it's
fight back.
about in the ring.
Yeah.
In the ring I never fall.
Okay.
But it's like मार दिया उसने अब क्या करूँ मैं. We have to just prepare for next thing. So it's
Okay.
like calm down and just think about what we did.
No, sometimes like you got the hard punch, or else you're fallen down, something like that. Then how do you feel? You know, like, nay, I also have to give them back. How did you do that?
I got first time like it was my first nationals and I was playing with Haryana. I don't know anything about that they will be so tough and all that.
Okay.
And I got one punch and it was like 5 stars roaming up around my head. And I was
Okay.
like, बस boxing both कर दिया. Then it was like नहीं यार करना है कुछ तो जैसा उसने मारा वैसा मैं भी मारूंगी. It was that.
And you got the energy कि मैं भी दूंगी
Yeah.
अच्छे से एक लगा के इसको. So, do you take any special diet
No,
to get some, you know, good energy? Because your energy level should be really good when you're in boxing. You should be totally fit and fine. So.
Actually, in my home, it's like you get only diets because we are
Okay.
3 year players, so it's like we maintain diet, but not like that. We eat ghee, everything.
Okay,
Healthy diet.
that's nice. So for you, you being a boxer, you do look like a model. You're so beautiful. How do you maintain it?
मम्मी का काम है मेरा.
Oh, सब मम्मी देखती है. That's nice. So because आपको इतना फैमिली का सपोर्ट है और हर तरह से हर किसी ने आपको सपोर्ट किया, इसीलिए आप अभी इस मुकाम तक पहुंच सकी हैं. And you got, you know, the 2 times you have played
Yeah.
and the nationals. So what is your next plan?
Next plan, now in this year I have so many plans like winning my nationals gold medal and then just going to international and staying in the camp and then just playing for international levels, so that it's my plan for this year.
So are you working out for that?
Yeah.
Do you have to do any workouts also for that?
Yeah, obviously.
Except the boxing.
Yeah,
some other
we
works
have to do running and all that for stamina.
Okay, that's really nice. And you don't feel sometimes, no, just leave me today. Today I'll skip it. I'll go tomorrow.
We get Sunday, so it's like Sunday आ जाए बस हम rest करेंगे.
So you don't go Sundays on the practice and all?
No. We just take rest, proper rest.
So you feel it's my day, chala, so ja.
Bed पे रहो बस.
Do you help your mom in
Yeah,
kitchen?
sometimes. Yeah.
You
When
know-
it's my mood.
Okay, depends on your mood.
Yeah.
So how about the cooking side? Do you cook something?
I can like little bit chai and all that, coffee, Maggi.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is enough for you in such a young age. This is more than enough.
Yeah.
So, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is everything. I like everything. Nothing.
No, but something should be, आज ये हो जाए.
Biryani or chicken.
Wow. Hyderabadi special.
Yeah.
Biryani. Okay. And when you three are there, three siblings, so who gets the, attention from the parents most? Who is that?
Me.
It's you only. Wow. You're so lucky. So how do you feel in that situation?
Like I'm a boss. I feel like that.
Oh. I'm a boss, I'm a
Yeah.
princess, so I'm like taken care with
Papa
my
ki
parents.
ladli and all.
That's really nice. Papa ki ladli, mummy ki ladli, बहन की भी लाडली,
Yeah.
सबकी लाडली और मेरी भी लाडली. That's really nice, Amrita. And so now you're totally prepared for the
Yeah, I'm
international.
actually preparing because I took so long break now.
Okay. So usually where you go for practice?
Nizam College.
Okay. So
There's
you,
a ground.
okay, you have some coach there
Yeah,
who
yeah,
is
yeah.
training you.
Yeah, Durga Prasad sir and Chiranjeevi sir.
Oh yes, Chiranjeevi sir, yeah.
They both are international coaches
Yeah.
and Indian player coaches.
Yes. Yeah. In one of your games, I met him.
Oh yeah.
You only introduced me. So
Yeah.
yeah. So it's you know it's very hard for the people to digest that girl in a boxing, and she is maintained in every way. She is the same like a girl. She is pretty. Her physique and all, everything is very good. So, friends, if your children wants to go for boxing, you can allow them. As you see, Amrita, she is looking like a princess. So, it's your support. Your children can excel in every way. And Amrita, can you tell something for the girls exclusively in your age or is the small age? How like it's whether it is very tough or it's okay to go in this field.
आगे बढ़ते रहो लोग बोलते रहेंगे कुछ भी बस you stay focused and just listen your heart. That's it.
You mean like don't listen to others.
Yeah.
You go on your goal and you become what you
What you
want to
want,
become. That's really nice, Amrita. Sometimes the society who has nothing to do with us.
Yeah, they speak
But
a lot.
still, yeah, still they'll be keep working. She is doing like this. She is dressing up like this. It's none of their business.
Yeah.
But still, did that trouble you anytime?
Yeah, like I go alone when I have to travel to my nationals or states. तो वहाँ पे होता था ज़्यादा like neighbors होते थे ना तो वो लोग they used to say that अकेली जा रही है बच्ची पता नहीं कहाँ जा रही है and all that things. Just यहाँ से सुनो यहाँ से निकालो अपना.
Now also, बच्ची अकेली जा रही है. Nowadays, like everything has changed. We think that we are in such a modern society where girls and boys are equal. That's what we think. But still, somewhere in the
There is,
people's
yeah.
mind, it's there. कि ये girl child है. But see that, friends. She being a girl, she travels, and she is extraordinary, and she is best in her profession. Yes, right?
Yeah, obviously.
And she is very strong. She took her like profession as a passion. She just kept going on that. She did not give up. She did not go down listening to others, what people are saying. they are saying like this, so I should just stop it. She didn't do that. She kept going. So as we keep going and keep moving on our goal, surely we will achieve it. Nobody can stop us. And she does have her parents' support. That's the most important thing. So she is able to achieve what she wants. And Amruta, we wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
And we are waiting for you to get the national gold medal.
Yeah.
And even
Thank you.
from international, even we would love to see you in the Olympics also.
Yeah.
So do you have any plans to go
Yeah.
for the Olympics?
In 2024, maybe 2028, because it's so long now. Because
Okay.
of this pendulum, it's have delayed.
Okay, because of the pandemic, they have
Yeah.
delayed it. So now this time we don't have.
No, we are having this year.
Okay. Okay, so you will be going next term. Okay. So who else is there in boxing? Or like champion who goes to the from our India, our country?
India or our state?
No, from our state also you tell
Yeah.
me, and even from India, who represents India in the Olympic and internationals?
From
Whichever.
our state, it's Nikat Zareen, my senior. She has represented many times to India,
Okay.
and she's so brilliant, of course. And Mary Kom, of course, you all guys know that. And many girls are there who have achieved many things, many medals, and many achievements over there.
Yeah, I do know Nikat Zareen.
You
She
know,
is,
yeah,
yeah, she is not here in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
She lives in Delhi now.
Yeah.
So, friends, nothing stopped her being a girl going for the boxing. So, we expect all the parents to support their children to go on and reach in that field, particularly where they have the interest. So, anything else you want to tell Amruta to them? They should work hard and
Obviously, you
keep
have to
believing
work
on
hard.
themselves also.
Yeah.
That also gives you strength, right?
Yeah.
When you believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, I don't think so you can, go on. So if somebody will tell you something, just sitting down, that should not happen, right? You should get the strength from within.
Yeah.
Okay, if somebody is
Inner
giving,
strength. Yeah.
yes, somebody is
Believe
giving me
in
one
yourself.
punch, I'll give two punches. So, I have been with you in, I think so, your two matches,
Yeah.
and you gave them really very tough fight. So it was really good, and I was very amazed when I saw you first time. Oh my God, being a girl, she's giving such a tight punch. So for me, it was really strange because we only see in the TVs and all. And Nikat Zareen, she like I used to talk to her, but I have never seen her matches.
Yeah.
I saw yours, so I was really just let me see how she is going to do it.
You liked it?
Yes, of course I liked it, and you were the winner. I know it. I believe I'm the one who gave you the cup.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, yeah. So it was really very wonderful for me to watch that, and I was like, she's a girl. I don't know whether she's going to do it or not, but you proved it. You gave really tight punch.
That's the inner belief. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what. From the inside, when we are strong, then we can achieve whatever we want. So that's a really, for all the, especially girl childs, I'm requesting you, do not stop yourself. Do not fall with others' word. Nothing should affect you because you have to achieve your goal. And for us, in like nowadays, we do not feel any difference between boy and girl. That's why you have the example here, Amruta Thakur, and she has, being so young, she has played 2 times nationals and now she is ready for international. So you have the live example here. So do not fear, do not give up. Just keep going and achieve your goal. Thank you so much, Amruta, for being my guest.
Thank you so much.